The heat death of the universe is a pretty scary concept. I mean, who wouldn't be afraid of their own inevitable demise? But what if it wasn't just you who died? What if the universe itself was ripped apart? Imagine the universe tearing itself apart. Galaxies would drift away from each other until every star in the night sky goes out, leaving you in total darkness. Atoms would rip apart, ceasing to exist as they fly away from each other at the speed of light. Planets would be torn to pieces by the very fabric of space itself, stretching and tearing until they're no longer a coherent object. This may sound like a far-fetched science fiction movie plot, but astronomers actually think this doomsday scenario is possible. It's called the Big Rip, and it could happen in just 10 billion years. That's not a lot of time, but really, it's just a slow fade into oblivion, right? Well, not exactly. As the universe expands, everything moves away from everything else. But there's a theory that dark energy, which is responsible for this accelerated expansion, could get even stronger. If that happens, the expansion of the universe would get faster and faster. And when it does, all bets are off. You see, our universe is made up of 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time, or 4D. But some physicists theorize that there could be more dimensions beyond the ones we can see and experience. There are a lot of unknowns when it comes to dark energy, but one thing's for sure, it's repelling gravity. And if it gets any stronger, it would overcome the force of gravity, holding our universe together. It's like if you were holding a rubber band with a bunch of weights on it. The more you stretch the rubber band, the more tension builds up until it snaps. Some physicists think the same thing could happen to our universe. The dark energy could pull our universe apart into other dimensions, releasing all the energy that's been building up since the Big Bang. It might seem like a relief after 10 billion years of total darkness, but being ripped apart by the very fabric of space-time doesn't sound like much of an upgrade. So could reality itself be torn to pieces? Maybe. But don't worry too much. You'll probably die of old age long before that happens.